Hi everyone, it's Edward here of Adventures. So as promised, here in our channel we will not just do travel and adventure vlogs. We will also be doing tech reviews, especially on the vlogging gears. Since this package has arrived just today, we will start with the microphone. So we have here the Saramonic Smartmic. So designed and made specifically for smartphones. Okay, can be Android or an iOS smartphone. So this is just a plug and play type of microphone. No software needed to be installed. So this is a shotgun type microphone to help reduce unwanted noises from the back and the sides of the microphone. So it says that it is in an electret type condenser microphone which has a signal to noise ratio of 74 decibel. So the type of connector, guys, is, take note, a TRRS connector. So really for smartphones. So if you want to use this in DSLRs, you need to purchase an additional adapter for converting the TRRS type into TRS connector. Okay, so what's inside the box? This one is silica gel to absorb humidity and moisture inside the box, and of course a small styro pop filter or noise filter, and of course the actual microphone itself. Look how small it is. Okay, so you have there, focus the connector. It is a TRRS, so you can see the tip, two rings, and the sleeve. So it is really designed for smartphones, guys. Okay, so of course it is bendable, so you can angle it like that or you can angle it like that. So also it has a built-in shock mount. Now it's time to test this little microphone, Saramonic Smart Mic. Okay, first let's install this little pop filter. And so we have just plugged in our Saramonic Smart Mic, and it is angled and facing towards me. So let me know if there is a big difference on the quality of our audio. So I am indoor, so let's do the test. Testing mic 1 2 3. Testing mic 1 2 3. I am about 2 feet away from my camera, and let's do the test. Testing mic 1 2 3. This is a harmonic audio test. This time I am an arm length away, so approximately 3 feet from the microphone. So testing mic 1 2 3. This is the audio test using the Saramonic Smart Mic, designed for smartphones. So do you notice a big difference? So let me know in the comment section below. And then next, we'll be taking this little microphone outside.
2 hours later.
We've been looking for a very good area or spot to make a video, so we found this area. Look at the view. Okay, so this is the audio that we can get with the built-in microphone of my phone. By the way, this phone is made by Vivo. Now let's connect our Saramonic mic to see if there is a big or little difference in the quality of the audio that we are getting. Okay, Okay, now the Saramonic mic is already installed and it is facing right towards me. So testing mic 1 2 3, testing mic 1 2 3. So we're still here in Talakag, Bukidnon. So here with our friends. Oh, camera sexy woman and our friend from Dubai. Hopefully there's a big difference, guys, because this one is, of course, Saramonic is a known brand for little microphones, especially for vlogging. Okay, so that's the audio that we can get using this Saramonic mic. Once again, testing mic 1 2 3, 1 2 3. This mic 1 2 3. Okay, so it's getting dark. Let me show you the sunset. Ooh, we are the Chasing Sunset Squad. We've been chasing sunset since last week. Asa naman tong sunset? Di ba maklaro yun? So, oh, there you are, the sunset, and our sunset boy is coming. Sunset boy beside Incredible Hawk.
Many hours later.
Alright, back in the studio. We had so much fun in there, guys. And don't worry, I'll include the details on how to get there in the description below. Okay? So, my final thoughts on the Saramonic Smartmic. Let's go with the pros and the cons. The pros. Well, number one, it's cheaper compared with other known brands. I got mine for only 713 pesos. That is approximately $14. Number 2, it is very portable since it is small. And number 3, it has a built-in shock mount that somehow prevent noises or shocks when every time your smartphone is being touched. And lastly, of course, it can really step up your audio in terms of sensitivity and clarity. So at least your audio becomes cleaner compared with when you are only using the internal microphone of your smartphone. Now on the downside, I have found two. Number one, it has no wind muff or dead cat included in it, which makes it very hard in filtering out external noises, especially during strong winds. And number 2, the build is so plasticky. And finally, guys, after performing all the tests, I can say that the Saramonic Smartmic is doing well in improving the audio of our smartphone. It is already a great deal given its price point. So that's it for this episode, and don't forget to like and subscribe and smash that bell button for notifications of our future contents. And for the meantime, please enjoy the beauty of nature in Talakag, Bukidnon, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
That's it mga gang, mga guys. That's it mga gang. Litsi. Apilo na ka sa mami. Kita ayot na mga gang, no? Okay daw. Moto ang magyulatan.
Mga to gani na mo dire.
Moto magyani.